Hello everyone, I'm Rinku Dhiman, working as an assistant professor in electrical engineering department at RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus, Karnal. So today we are going to discuss about the temperature measurement, as we already aware that what is a transducer that convert the one form of energy into another form of energy. So here we'll talk about the temperature transducer. So the temperature transducer can be our like different kind of temperature devices, RTD, thermistors, thermocouple, etc. So measuring the temperature, we always use these two kind of elements for measuring the temperature. One is your thermocouple, another is your thermistors. So we'll discuss in detail in further slide what is thermocouple and what is thermistor. So thermocouples, a thermocouple basically is formed by a junction with the two different or dissimilar metals and joined at a single point. So as the junction temperature increases, a small voltage is created in the loop. So we can see that here the two metals over here, this one and this one. So these are the two dissimilar metals and it will form the two junctions. So two junction is, one is the hotter one and another is the cold one junction. So as the junction temperature increase, a small voltage is created in the loop. So the voltage produced at the junction dissimilar metal is due to the phenomena called as the Seebeck effect. Right. So if we'll provide the more and more heat to the hotter junction, the more and more energy will be transferred towards the cold junction, and that reading will be shown with the voltmeter. So higher the temperature at the junction and greater the voltage produced by the junction. So relationship between the voltage and temperature is constant and will show a linear graph basically. As the voltage heat will be increased at the hotter end, the voltage will be increased. So that is directly proportional. So thermistor, these are made of semiconductor material as well, and the semiconductor material, we know that negatively temperature coefficient, as the temperature increase, resistance will be decreased. So these are the main characteristics of thermistor. So we can say resistance on the y-axis and temperature on the x-axis. So if the temperature will be increased, we can see resistance will be decreased. So this is the characteristic of our thermistor that is made by the semiconductor materials. And thermistor construction vary in size and shape, so that can be in the bed shapes, disc shape, rod shape, probe shape, and some are more common type like this one. So these are the different kind of constructions. Then thermistors will behave like RTD, and thermistor often enclosed in the housing suitable for either contact or non-contact application in industries. So RTD is the resistant temperature detector, and thermistors are often enclosed in a housing suitable for either contact or non-contact application. So transducer for the or transducer for its working will depend upon like different parameters. So here we will replace this RTD and our thermistor transistors and all that with the resistor, or we make a bridge with that. So we put over here the four resistances, say R1, and this R1, R1 and R1. So 4 arms we have to make with the Wheatstone bridge, and we will take the output from this terminal, we give the supply from this point 10 volt, right? So this is our basic transducer structure. So Wheatstone bridge can be look like that, and it is invented by the Sir Charles Wheatstone in mid 1800 century, and 18th century basically. It is essentially two matched voltage divider with a galvanometer across network. So here we can say that the supply voltage is given to this positive and negative terminal, and we provided with a galvanometer in between them. Okay, so that will basically sense the differential in the potential. Okay, so different resistances over there, different voltage level will be this across this arm, and different voltage level will be across this arm. So transducer like thermistor, RTD are replace the resistors basically over here. Thank you very much. This is all about our temperature transducer. We generally use like thermistor and RTD, or we can say thermocouples. Please stay tuned with us for more videos on transducer. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.